Welcome to our video on the top 6 best OBD2 scanners of 2024. Having a reliable OBD2 scanner can save you a lot on car repairs. In today's expensive world, it's crucial to avoid unnecessary mechanic costs. With an OBD scanner, you can diagnose issues like the check engine light yourself, preventing overcharging. Stick around to discover the top 6 scanners that truly pay for themselves. Number 6. Ancel BD310 OBD2 Scanner. Available for just $77.99 on Amazon. This compact device offers a multitude of features in a small and elegant design, making it an attractive option for car enthusiasts and professionals alike. Measuring just 5.1 x 2.4 x 0.6 inches and weighing only 5.4 ounces, the BD310 is one of the smallest and lightest handheld scanners on the market. Despite its size, it boasts a color display and can be used either as a standalone handheld unit or connected to a phone or tablet via Bluetooth. One of the standout features of the BD310 is its ability to double as a supplemental dashboard display, providing real-time data on various parameters like engine speed and battery voltage. Additionally, it comes with a magnetic backplate and a heater vent mounting kit for added convenience. However, it's important to note that the BD310 has a minimalist interface and a small screen, which may take some getting used to. Nevertheless, its versatility and moderately priced tag make it a compelling option for anyone in need of a reliable OBD2 scanner. Number 5. Foxwell NT614 Elite OBD2 Automotive Diagnostic Scanner. Available for $189.99 on Amazon. Despite its compact size, this scanner packs a punch with its comprehensive diagnostic capabilities, making it a valuable tool for both professional mechanics and car enthusiasts alike. Equipped with a mid-sized 4.3-inch color screen, the NT614 Elite offers a user-friendly interface for easily navigating through diagnostic tests and functions. Additionally, it comes with a rugged design featuring soft edges, ensuring durability in various working environments. One standout feature of the NT614 Elite is its inclusion of a hard case and an SD card for convenient storage of automotive data. However, it's important to note that this scanner cannot run on battery power, limiting its portability compared to some competitors. Despite this drawback, the NT614 Elite excels in quickly identifying hidden automotive issues, providing detailed diagnostic reports, and offering essential functionalities such as resetting oil change lights and monitoring major vehicle systems. In summary, while the Foxwell NT614 Elite may lack a touchscreen and battery-powered operation, its robust performance and comprehensive diagnostic capabilities make it a valuable asset for anyone in need of reliable automotive diagnostics. Number 4. Bosch OBD 1300 Automotive Diagnostic Scanner. Priced at $278.98 on Amazon. This versatile tool stands out with its inclusion of cables for pre-1996 cars, offering a unique advantage. Despite its compact size and bright blue finish, it can get heavy due to its batteries and cables. However, its exceptional functionality compensates for this drawback. Equipped with a 3.5-inch color display and an intuitive interface, the OBD 1300 makes vehicle diagnostics straightforward and accessible. Its Code Connect database provides access to over 26 million repair suggestions, ensuring comprehensive support for users. Additionally, it can reset oil change lights and run pre-inspection emissions tests, further enhancing its utility. Setup is quick and hassle-free, with the scanner automatically detecting vehicle models and VINs. However, the lack of included instructions may pose a challenge for some users, requiring them to download guides from Bosch's website. Despite this minor inconvenience, the Bosch OBD 1300 remains a top choice for those in need of a reliable diagnostic tool for both modern and vintage vehicles. Number 3. Topdon ArtiDiag500, a versatile OBD2 scanner designed to meet the needs of both DIY enthusiasts and professional mechanics. Priced at $166 on Amazon, it offers an impressive range of diagnostic tests, complemented by a large color touchscreen and convenient Wi-Fi connectivity. However, its bulkiness and short cable may be considered drawbacks for some users. Despite its size, the ArtiDiag500 delivers exceptional performance thanks to its intuitive interface and powerful diagnostic capabilities. Its 5-inch horizontal touchscreen displays diagnostic data with clarity and precision, allowing users to quickly identify and address issues with their vehicles. Additionally, the scanner's Wi-Fi connectivity enables seamless updates and data sharing. Setting up the ArtiDiag500 is straightforward, although it may take a few extra minutes due to its Wi-Fi capabilities. Once connected, the scanner provides accurate results, helping users diagnose and troubleshoot a wide range of automotive issues. Overall, the Topdon ArtiDiag500 offers excellent value for money, making it a valuable tool for anyone looking to maintain their vehicle's health and performance. Number 2. Innova CarScan Mobile 1000, your go-to solution for automotive diagnostics. Priced at just $94.99 on Amazon, it's a budget-friendly option packed with features. Setting up this Bluetooth-based OBD2 scanner is a breeze, making it ideal for both novices and seasoned professionals. Despite its compact size of 2.0 x 1.5 x 1.0 inches and weighing only 0.9 ounces, the CarScan Mobile 1000 offers impressive functionality. Its companion apps, Repair Solutions 2 and Gauged, provide comprehensive diagnostic capabilities, including fault code analysis, repair suggestions, and even predictive failure warnings. While the scanner lacks an IM pre-inspection test routine and the apps occasionally display ads, these minor drawbacks are outweighed by its affordability and performance. The device's LED status light keeps you informed, and its 30-foot Bluetooth range provides flexibility when working on your vehicle. In summary, the Innova CarScan Mobile 1000 delivers reliable performance and ease of use at an unbeatable price point. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional mechanic, this scanner is sure to streamline your diagnostic process and keep your vehicle running smoothly. Number 1. Innova 6100P OBD Scanner, a compact and lightweight tool that packs a punch. With its handheld design and seamless integration with Innova's Repair Solutions 2 app, diagnosing your car's issues has never been easier. Despite its small size, the 6100P offers a 2.8-inch color screen and LED indicators for quick IM readiness tests, ensuring you're always in the know. Setup may take a bit more effort than other scanners, but the payoff is worth it. Once connected to your car and mobile device, the 6100P delivers comprehensive diagnostic data and repair suggestions right to your fingertips. From resetting the change oil light to predicting potential issues, this scanner has you covered. At $148, the 6100P offers exceptional value for its capabilities. While it may have a text-based interface and require deliberate pressure on the keys, its impressive performance outweighs these minor drawbacks. In conclusion, the Innova 6100P is a game-changer for DIY mechanics, offering convenience, app integration, and comprehensive diagnostic abilities in one compact package. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to be informed about more content, and do not miss our future videos. See you later.